Welcome to Shoraf's classes. Today we will be solving some IIT JAM Chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. We have question number 39 in hand. Which of the following sets of quantum numbers is or are not allowed? So from these four options given to us, we have to choose which among these four does not go with the rules of quantum numbers. So we know that n is the principal quantum number. L is the azimuthal quantum number, and M is the magnetic quantum number. So we know that L varies from 0 to n-1, whereas M varies from -L to +L. So from these four options given, we have to see which of these does not satisfy any one of the options or any more of the options. So this totally satisfies these two conditions, and this one also satisfies. This one doesn't satisfy, and we have to find which is not allowed. So this will be an answer, and this one also satisfies, so the answer is C. Answer is C. Now moving on to the next question, that is question number 40. The correct expression or expressions for isothermal expansion of 1 mole of an ideal gas is or are, and we have four options given to us, so we have to choose from these four options which one or which are the correct ones. So this is an isothermal expansion process. So for an isothermal expansion process, the del T is 0, and subsequently del U will also be 0 because this is the change in internal energy, and if temperature doesn't increase, internal energy won't increase also. So del H will also be 0, so change in enthalpy is also 0. So now we know that work equals to minus RT ln V final by V initial, and this is also equals to RT ln V initial by V final due to the logarithmic property. So therefore del G will be equals to del A, which is equals to W, which is equals to RT ln V initial by V final. So we can say that option number A is correct, and option number B is also correct, and del H equals to 0. See here, del H is equals to 0, so option number C is definitely incorrect, and we have to find del S. So now what is del S? Del S is the change in entropy, and we know this is equals to NCV ln T2 by T1 plus NR, this is NR into ln V2 by V1, where V2 represents the V final, V2 represents the V final. So V2 represents final volume and V1 represents the initial volume, and hence for isothermal processes del S will be equals to, here there is 1 mole, so N will be equals to 1, and this will be equals to R ln V2 by V1, or V, this is V2 by V1, so this will be V initial and this will be V final. So del S will be this, so option number D is also correct. So the answer will be option A, option B, and option D. So this will be these are the correct options, A, B, and D. Thank you.